In the vast world of online marketing, where do you begin? Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your journey, BCB Canada is here to light the way. We take pride in being your one-stop destination for all things online marketing. We're BCB Canada, and we're on a mission to provide you with top-notch quality training and information videos that will elevate your online marketing game. Here's what some of our subscribers have to say about us.
BCB Canada's videos transformed my online business, and the best part, it's all free.
I was a newbie in online marketing, but BCB Canada's videos gave me the confidence and knowledge to thrive.
Hey, I've paid money for a lot of different courses, and I honestly just wish I knew about the BCB channel a little sooner. The information they provide is great, and the best part, it's free. So I subscribed to their channel and kept my money to improve my business.
That was just a few of our very happy subscribers that we have here at BCB Canada, and you can become one of them with a simple click. We also publish fresh new content on a weekly basis to ensure our subscribers have the most up-to-date information when they need it. Okay, so now you might be wondering, how do they manage to offer such valuable content for free? It's simple. We truly believe in the power of community. By subscribing to our channel, you're not just gaining access to a treasure trove of information, you're also supporting us in our quest to continue producing these quality videos. Every subscription, every like, every share helps us keep this knowledge train running. Now, just because our content is free doesn't mean it's any less valuable. In fact, the value is in the transformation it brings to businesses like yours. We've seen countless success stories, and we want you to be next. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of growth, knowledge, and success, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Subscribe now, watch our latest video, join our community, and unlock the power of online marketing. BCB Canada, empowering entrepreneurs, one video at a time.